Sachin Lokhande lost his mother at the time of his birth. Father took mentally ill, unable to manage his upbringing. Seema Kamble, orphaned at the age of 5. No relative who could have managed to look after her. Apart from the challenging circumstances in their lives, both these stories have one thing in common, and that is the name that lit up their lives. Sampark.
After leaving my previous organization, I concentrated in thinking that what would be the best model. I realized that the children, whether an orphan or children of a commercial sex worker or children of convicts or abuse or children from street, all from a vulnerable situation.
My name is Seema Kamble. I was orphaned when I was 5 years old. My relative brought me to Sampark. I finished my schooling from Bhaji School in Lonavala. Then I got BA degree from Lonavala College. Through Sampark and my sponsor Mr. Moons, I visited Bordeaux in France, where I studied French language for 1 year. Before getting married, I was working with the KPMG as an analyst and drawing a good salary. Today I am wife and mother. I feel happy that I can give my child the happiness and the privileges that I got as a child. I feel Sampark has changed my life for the best.
Sampark started almost 20 years back. It was essentially an effort to see how we can transform, change the lives of the children. It's a tremendous journey.
Our first endeavor was a mud house built for the care of the orphan children at the footsteps of the famous Bhaje Caves in Lonavala. Today, we have a full-fledged children's home housing 120 children.
The concept which was very much alive in our minds was that how we can give a shelter to the children who are really underprivileged, who do not have any support system, and more importantly, how we can give them a home away from their home.
Sampark changed the lives of these and many, many more with a humane touch, giving them equal opportunities in education and work, encouraging them to dream of a better life with dedication and hard work. Hope smiles on the faces of the children who can now dream of a better future and a brighter tomorrow.
The whole purpose of starting this organization to give a model value.
The concept which we have adopted here in Sampark, which is very unique, that every house which is comprising of about 10 children, they live with a Sadan Mata. And Sadan Mata is a person who is like a mother. She takes care of children as a mother would do in a normal household or in a normal upbringing for the children. There they live, they enjoy the environment, they enjoy the love and the care, and more importantly, they are allowed to live in a normal way where they can do a little bit of mischievous way in which they will grow. And we support them both ways. We support them in terms of giving a huge emotional anchor and seeing that what they can do over a period of time, becoming independent.
मैं संपर्क में शुरू से ही काम करती हूँ और मेरा साथ परेश सर जो है ये भी 24 आवर्स बच्चों के साथ काम करते हैं, एक इंचार्ज है वो, और ये सब मेरी माँ है, माँ भी हमारे साथ एक साथ हम यहीं पे काम करते हैं। आज हम लोग बहुत खुश है बच्चों के साथ काम करने के लिए।
Like the children, we too have flowered from a small bud into a beautiful garden spreading across Maharashtra, Gujarat, Rajasthan and West Bengal.
Our children have completed Master in Social Work, they have done BSc Nursing, they have done Diploma in Engineering, ITI and other general BA, BSc courses.
We are directly working with 800 orphaned and needy children and helping 1,000 children from the communities to gain education and means of living. Our vocational training centers help the youth gain ability in various skills and crafts and lead dignified lives. Around 350 youth get vocational training from our centers every year.
The government has given National Child Welfare Award to this organization in 1998.
We also work for women empowerment. Today, 6,000 women are a part of our various women's programs, which make them financially independent.
Our vision is that by 2015 we should be catering for 2,000 children. Sanpark has started an association called Friends of Sanpark, and we would like you to join that family. Sanpark would very much appreciate your giving a helping hand to these distressed, disadvantaged and abandoned children.
You can visit us any point in time at 7 centers, and more importantly, I would leave this thought with you that you want to celebrate your birthday, your child's birthday, your parents' birthday, want to celebrate a Diwali, come and do with us. You will see much more joy in life, many more smiles, because finally when you want to celebrate something, you want to see joy around you. Come and visit us. It's just bundle of joy all around.
Your support will make us stronger. Together, let's bring everlasting joy to those whom circumstances have not favored. We welcome you to be a part of our family, the Sampark family.